Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So this week I have a haul from one of my favorite brands. I've got some stunning new party wear pieces from Zara. We're coming into festive season now and I've just got my eye on quite a lot of evening looks because I have so many events coming up. I've got my birthday coming up as well, my 30th, and I've got Tom's birthday coming up as well next month. So it's just like a lot of evening stuff that I need looks for. So I've got some stunning new pieces from there to show you. And I also have some stunning new autumn jewelry pieces that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I've got some gorgeous new earrings again from Kosiner Jewellery. This is a new brand that I have recently discovered I'm so in love with. I actually worked with them on my previous video and I'm so excited to be working with them again to share with you guys some of their new jewelry pieces that have recently just launched. So before we get into the new clothing and pieces that I got from Zara, let's get into the new jewelry pieces that I picked up. So this part of the video is in paid partnership with Kosiner Jewellery. So if you guys aren't familiar with Kosiner Jewellery, they're a gorgeous jewelry brand that have so many stunning high quality pieces that are like really affordable prices as well. The pieces that I've got to share with you today are all sterling silver and 18 karat gold plating, and they are so affordable for the quality. And also what I'm sharing with you today is such a small selection. They have so much choice on their website, so definitely head to their website and check out their collection. So the first set that I'll share with you is the butterfly flower ear stack. So you can actually buy this as a complete stack, which is what I have got here. Which this is so handy as someone with multiple piercings. I have so many ear piercings and it's great to be able to just buy a full ear stack and you're just sorted. So as part of this ear stack, there is a couple of sets of huggies. So first I got these stunning huggies with cubic zirconias. These are super sparkly little huggies. They've got a larger stone at the top and then they go into this like smaller trail of stones. These are so stunning and sparkly. Hopefully you can get a good clear look at the jewelry pieces there. These are just such a lovely elevated huggy. The second huggies that are part of this ear stack, they are very similar, but instead of just a little plain stone at the center, they have more of a butterfly style stone at the center, and then again it trails down into small cubic zirconias. And then next in the ear stack I got a little pair of studs. So these are the butterfly cubic zirconia studs. See those there? They are so dainty and stunning in the little butterfly shape, and they're just so sparkly. You catch the light so beautifully. These are just a classic little stud that you can wear as part of the ear stack, but also these would look so lovely just on their own. And then I also got this stunning little butterfly flat back. This again is got the butterfly design with the cubic zirconia there, and then it's just got a couple other little cubic zirconias that trail off, and it looks like a butterfly from the side, sort of like flying. It's so stunning. This would actually look so lovely in like a conch piercing. If you had a cartilage piercing, this would look stunning in that. Just something that's slightly curved that the jewelry can just sit in beautifully. And then lastly, as part of that ear stack, I got these gorgeous little hoops. These would be perfect if you had a daith piercing. These have got gorgeous stones that go all the way around, and I think I would wear these in my cartilage. So from the side, you'll be able to see the sparkle. I'll pop on screen pictures of the website where they have displayed the ear stack and how they have styled it up. And you can actually buy this as a full set and get 6 pieces, which is all the pieces that I've shown you. Or if you've only got like 3 piercings on your lobe, you can actually just get the set for 3 piercings, so it is customizable. And as I said, it is so affordable. So for the full ear stack of 6 pieces, it is only £29. So how incredible is that for value? And the second collection that I wanted to talk to you guys about is their new cherry blossom collection. So these pieces, I don't think you can buy them as the full ear stack, but it is a full collection that I have got here to show you. These pieces create a stunning ear stack as well. So again, I've got some gorgeous huggies. These are very similar to the other huggies that I showed you. Again, they have the larger stone in the center and then these smaller stones that come down, just creating this really seamless style. These would probably be the bottom of the ear stack for me, like the first earring that I wear. I think these are just so classic and stunning. Again, all of these pieces are sterling silver and 18 karat gold plated as well. The next huggies I got are the flower hoop earrings. So these have 3 stones, similar to the one that I just showed you on the other hoop. Instead of just 1, they have 3 larger stones stacked. And I just think these really catch the light really nicely. I think these might be my favorite huggies so far. And again, they have the flower stone in the center and then 2 smaller stones either side. Got a few flat back studs. This one here is the cherry blossom zirconia flat back, and it has again 3 flowers, but it's got 1 large stone in the center and then 2 flowers either side with smaller stones in. This one, again, as it is curved, I probably want to wear this in a conch piercing or in a cartilage where the ear's naturally curved. I think that that would sit so beautifully. And then the other flat back that I got is a lovely little flower with a little stem and 2 little leaves on there. This one, again, in keeping with the flower theme with the stone, but just done in a slightly different way. I just think this one is so stunning. And then again, another little flower flat back. This one is a little bit more simple and understated. This one would look really nice in like a Traeger's piercing, something that's a little bit smaller. Even like maybe in my 4ths on my earlobe, this would look really lovely. And then as part of the Cherry Blossom collection as well, they also have these stunning ear cuffs. So these are great if you don't actually have that many piercings. These create the illusion of having more piercings, and I love the double layer effect of this one with the stone on there as well. This one would probably go really nicely on the cartilage if you didn't have a cartilage piercing. On my one ear, I don't have cartilage piercing, so I probably would wear that on there. And it just, again, just adds to an ear stack and just makes the ear look even cooler when you don't have as many piercings. You can just add extras on. But every piece in that collection that I just showed you ranges from £17 to £23. So the quality and the styles that they have for the price is literally incredible. I don't think you can literally match that anywhere else, which is amazing. And Kosiner Jewellery has also kindly given me a discount code for you guys. So for 20% off, you can use the discount code, which I'll pop on screen now. And I'll also leave everything linked in the description box down below, so you can shop everything from down there, and I'll also leave my discount code down there as well. And yeah, so that is all the pieces that I got from Kosiner Jewellery. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new bits that I picked up. And now let's get into the new pieces that I got from Zara. So first of all, I got a gorgeous satin cord. Satin is definitely one of my favorite fabrics this season. I've got quite a few pairs of satin trousers, and this cord is another trouser look. So these are full length wide satin trousers in this, like, I thought they were going to be more of like a mauve. They're sort of more of a brown color than I was expecting, but I'm not mad at it. As you guys know, like, I'm literally obsessed with chocolate brown at the minute, but this is definitely more of a mauvey brown, I would say. And these ones are $39.99, and I got them in a size extra small, and they are slightly big on the waist, but I might be able to get away with it. If not, I might get these taken in because I think this cord is absolutely stunning. It's very minimal and chic. But yeah, these trousers are an amazing length for me as well. I don't think I said, but I am a UK size 6 and I'm 5'7" for reference. So yeah, they are slightly big on the waist, but I can get away with it, but I may get them taken in, so we'll see. And then the matching top that I picked up is a classic bandeau top in the same material and color, and I got this again in my usual size extra small, and this actually fits pretty well, and it is $29.99. But yeah, this would be so stunning for like an event. I actually think because the cord is so like sleek and minimal, this would be so fun to have like loads of accessories with it, or like a statement bag, really big like earrings, like something like that I think would look really cool with this cord. And then next I picked up a satin tops, keeping on the satin theme. I've seen Zara have brought out a few tops in this sort of style. So this is like a cowl neckline, sort of like a gold satin top with this like low back effect. This top, I actually really like the asymmetric hem, and it's got this gorgeous ruche detail, and it's not like a completely backless. I thought that I'd be able to wear a bra with this, and I can, which is what I wanted. And I like the longer length on it as well. I feel like this would look really nice with jeans, and I also got some shorts to wear with it, and again, they look so good. The fit of this top is incredible as well. I got, again, my usual size extra small, and it fits like a dream. And this one is $27.99. I think that's such a good price for this top. The quality is so good, and I love the gold. I do think like this gold color is so stunning for coming into party season, and I think it complements like my colorings quite well because I'm quite warm toned. And then the shorts that I actually picked up, I had them in mind to style up with that top. They are these little sort of like suede micro shorts. I actually saw these in store and I thought they were really cool. I am such a big fan of my leather shorts. I thought the suede ones could be a really good option. They're faux suede, so they're not like super expensive or anything. And I thought the gold would go really nice with the brown, and they do. They look so good together. These I styled up with chocolate brown knee boots, and I think that as a look they look so cute together. These again I got in my usual size extra small, and they were $25.99, so I think that is a good price even though there's not a lot to them. I think they are affordable. And I also picked up this really funky top. I actually thought this would be so cute with like just jeans because it is quite statement. It's this like asymmetric neckline top in this zebra print, and it's sort of like a gold brown tone, which I actually really like, and the fit of it is really good. Again, I got it in my usual size extra small, and it is $27.99. So I think that's a pretty good price as well. The quality feels really good. It's a nice quality satin, and the fit is really good, like I said. So I really like this top. Again, this actually looks quite cute with the shorts. I'd probably just wear this with like some black jeans, some ankle boots, and you're good to go. But yeah, love that as well. Lastly, I picked up a black lace maxi dress. This is very sheer. I personally wouldn't wear this by itself. I had this in mind to wear with a blazer over the top done up, maybe even like cinched in with a belt. I just thought this showing out at the bottom, like the lace skirt, would look really stunning for party season. I got this in a size small and it fits really well. I just wish it was slightly longer at the front. You'll see in the cutaway what I mean. You can see my feet basically a bit. I wish it was just completely floor length for me with heels. And it is $29.99, which again I think is a good price, but there's not a lot to it, and I only would wear this in that way, so it is quite limiting, I guess. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep this one yet, but you'll see in the cutaway the vision, so let me know if you guys like it. And that is all of the pieces that I picked up from Zara, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new bits that I got. They have so many stunning new bits at the minute. I've actually already done another order of some new pieces that I'm going to be trying, so expect another Zara haul on my channel very soon. And I also hope you enjoyed seeing the stunning new jewellery pieces that I got from Kosiner Jewellery. I'll also leave my discount code on screen again if you guys want to pick up any pieces for yourself. I cannot recommend the brand enough. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.